Hello, boys and girls. This is our story of the week, and these are the words to know. So, the story of the week is called A Cupcake Party, and the first vocabulary word is the word give. In the sentence, we use the word, she will give a gift to her friend. The next word is the word one. There was one cupcake on the plate. Vocabulary word number 3 is small. The small red box is on the left. Number 4 is the word put. They put the party hats on their heads. Number 5 is eat. The children eat pizza at the party. Number 6, take. They both take some balloons home. So in the story, A Cupcake Party, we're looking at the story structure. We're looking at the characters, which are the people and the animals in the story. We're also going to pay close attention to the setting, and that is when and where the story takes place, and the events that make up the plot. So again, the story is called A Cupcake Party. It is a fantasy story. It could not happen in real life. And as you read, look for animals who talk and act like people. The story is written by David McPhail. And the essential question is how can you show a friend that you care about him or her? I miss my friends, Fritz said. I must have a big party. Fritz had a list of friends to ask to his party. Fritz went to ask Kit. I will come, Kit said. It will be grand. Fritz went to ask Jack next. Jack said, yes. A party is fun, Jack said. Fritz met Fran and Stan at a tree stump. Fran and Stan said yes, too. Fritz went to ask Glenn last. I will not miss it, Glenn said. Fritz baked cupcakes to give to his friends. He put a small picture on every one. Fritz felt glad to see his friends. Take the cupcake with a picture of you on it, Fritz said. His friends had a snack for Fritz, too. Yum! Now we can eat and have fun, Fritz said. So again, during the story, we're looking at who were the characters in the story, what was the setting, where did the story take place, and what were the events, the plot, what were the events that happened in the story. I hope you enjoyed the story, and I will see you today. Thank you. Bye-bye.